What's up, guys? Good night. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Wednesday night tonight. So, guys, I have something a little bit different for you today. So, instead of we're gonna do a reaction video and like some of old pictures, them, maybe just put them in our video with some I just put them in a video like with some video clips as well with some pictures because we were supposed to do a reaction, but Junior not feeling well, so I decided I'm still gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it a bit different. So guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Them open and enjoy. You don't laugh off of me. Oh, I did look when time I was young. I can't always laugh off of Junior. But you don't laugh off of me. The best of me though. So guys, as I say, open and enjoy the little photos and the little videos. Some of them are not some of them. All of them are some old pictures a couple years ago, and some baby pictures coming up, and some old videos I did do from a longer time. I did just take up my phone and just decide say Junior do something or me I do something and him just record me. So it's not really, we weren't doing YouTube at the time, so it's not like a vlog or any of them type of video. They're just some little snippets and some stuff, right? So as I say, I hope you enjoy the video. Hope you enjoy the picture them. And as I said, don't laugh off of me. Alright guys, so remember, as I said, to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video them. Enjoy, alright? He's stealing. Who is stealing? He's stealing. Let me and him eat it.
Look, okay, this member I crab them. Then I dismember that. Look at 5 crab. She alone that.
Let me eat the crab.
Don't tell her lie for me.
Let me eat them.
Don't tell her lie for
So
me.
what
No,
if I
eat no
eat?
crab. Don't bum out.
Me and him eat them.
Alex. I can't even see your eye then. Where your eye then? I see your tongue will stick out.
It's alright. Right now. Me.
Couldn't cut.
Take that 3, little smart.
Menua yang kau. It look well mad. Eyebrow one line up. Alexa chill. Work on. Board. Come in. So, Grace do it. Yes, just another day. Just another day. There you go. Alex! 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 Come. Big belly Junior, big belly Richard. Dun, dun, look at my beautiful bride.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Alright, come walk to the car now. Let her in judge.
We should take up your bouquet then. Take your camera.
Ready, bye.
So hurry up, you're there for your side. And
Why you always lying?
Gina.
Oh my god. You know, if you follow me, you make me disappear, guys. Oh, for me. Look, man, no hit.
Funny part about it, you know, do that drink and get F up. A beer 40 much. You're not trouble beer people, Junior. Alright.
Y'all messed me up, man.
Man say second time this me ever get flower when you young and one when you old.
Oh, it was nice. You can't believe that. I don't want to set me up. Come up with a wise Come up with a wise idea to flower people on their birthday. Come catch me.
When you think she's cute. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and remember to click here to watch the next video, click here to watch the playlist, and guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. Hope you enjoy. Have a blessed night.